In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make trending AI photo in the Google Gemini Windows app. Before we begin, make sure the Gemini app is open on your Windows computer and you're signed in. We'll move through a simple flow: upload, prompt, send, and wait. I'll add tips along the way so your result looks polished and on trend. Start by locating the plus icon inside the message bar of the Gemini app. This is where you bring in a reference or starting image. Click the plus sign, then choose a clear, well-lit photo from your files. If you're using a person, pick an image with a sharp face and minimal motion blur. Higher resolution helps Gemini understand details and produce a cleaner final look. Once selected, you'll see a thumbnail appear next to the message box. This confirms your upload is ready. Next, craft a strong prompt that tells Gemini exactly what you want. Think of the prompt as your creative director's note. Describe the scene, the mood, the lighting, the composition, and any stylistic touches. Here's a powerful example you can adapt. A surreal, cinematic scene featuring a giant cracked stone face embedded into an ancient wall, weathered with deep fractures and one realistic human eye visible. Beside it, a rustic wooden doorway stands open, glowing with warm, heavenly light. A graceful woman in a flowing, soft white dress walks barefoot toward the open door, hair gently blowing with delicate white flowers. Dreamy, ethereal atmosphere with soft clouds near the ground, subtle golden illumination, highly detailed textures, cracked marble surface, cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, volumetric light rays, soft shadows, fantasy surrealism, ultra-realistic, 8K. Dramatic composition. Feel free to tailor the subject or color palette, but keep the descriptive richness. Those specifics are what make images feel trending and cinematic. When your image is attached and your prompt looks good, press Enter to send. Avoid hitting Enter multiple times. One clear submission is best. If you notice a typo, stop, fix it, and then send. Clean prompts reduce misinterpretations. Now, give Gemini a moment to work. Complex, high-detail scenes can take a little while to render, especially with ultra-realistic textures and advanced lighting effects. While you wait, don't navigate away or interrupt the process. If it seems slow, that usually means it's building all those cinematic layers you requested. Depth of field, volumetric rays, and fine surface details. That's it! With a solid upload and a vivid, well-structured prompt, the Gemini Windows app can produce a striking, on-trend AI photo with a dramatic, cinematic feel. If the first result isn't quite your style, refine wording like lighting, texture, or mood in the prompt, and try again for a look that truly stands out.